Here is a simple, classic recipe for fluffy American-style pancakes using your 2 eggs, flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, and melted butter. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons butter, melted, and 1/2 cups milk, 2 teaspoonful freshly squeezed lemon juice.
Let's get cooking. If you want buttermilk for pancakes, biscuits, or baking, or if a recipe calls for buttermilk or sour cream, milk and lemon juice work perfectly. Ingredients: 1 cup whole or 2% milk plus 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Stir the lemon juice into the milk and let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes until it thickens slightly and curdles.
Salt on your shoulder, my hand in yours. The sky leans down to meet us and paints the road in amber doors. Hold me where the horizon turns every fear to slow.
In a bowl, whisk together 1½ cups flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt until fully combined.
You and the sea at gold hour, salt on your shoulder, my hand in yours. We were made for this motion, for the quiet undertow.
After prepping, let the batter sit for 5 minutes. This allows the baking powder to activate for maximum fluffiness. Exactly what we want. I add the melted butter last, but you can do it first also with the wet ingredients. Now that our pancakes have rested, let's cook. Heat a skillet or non-stick pan over medium heat and grease lightly with a touch of butter or cooking oil. What you prefer. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and cook until golden. Brown on the second side 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat the process until all your batter is done. Brown them lightly or slightly if that's your style. It all comes down to preference. The brown version is perfect for me and my family. Stacked freshly cooked golden brown pancakes high on a warm plate to keep them fluffy and tender. Drizzle warm, pure maple syrup generously over the stack, letting it pool around the edges and soak through the layers for a classic comforting sweetness. With strawberries if you like. Top with a handful of vibrant sliced fresh strawberries or a quick warm strawberry compote to add a bright, juicy tartness that balances the rich pancakes. Pair the plate alongside a freshly brewed hot beverage to complete the meal.